Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to send dynamic videos through Gmass. Okay, so I will assume first of all that you have installed Gmass Chrome extension, and you have also accepted all permissions, everything that is required by their system. Okay, so that said, the first thing you need to do is to of course create a dynamic video campaign right here to generate videos, and then you can go ahead and click on this button here that exports a CSV file with all the contacts that we have right here. Okay, once you do that, you can just copy the information and paste it right here in a new Google Sheets file that you need to create. So we will essentially just need first name and email. You can just put more information if you require, but at least for to create or to send dynamic videos, this is all that we need for now. Okay, so that said, you can just go to Gmail and you'll need to click on this button here, and we'll soon get something coming up. Okay, so what we're being asked to do is to basically connect with the, in this case, the Gmass test, file, with basically with the Google sheet that you have created before. It'll ask me just what sheet I want to select, which is in this case this one for me. I'll click on connect, and then we'll automatically get all the recipients right here. Okay, so then I can just put a subject like test for this. And then it is as simple as coming here, clicking on share campaign, looking for Gmass, clicking here, which basically copies snippet code. And then we'll go here and go Command V or Control V, and then we'll have this. So it is as simple as that. What you're seeing here is basically just a fallback because it's a generic, of course, thumbnail, but then this will automatically turn into the right video for the right person. And if you're wondering how does that work, well, basically we're grabbing the email as the unique validator. The email is actually what tells us what is the right video for the right person. But anyway, you can always test it by clicking here in the settings option and then sending a test to yourself just to see, of course, turn into the right video. Okay. So let me know if you have any more questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.